Alright, so my coworker gave me this Sogfari, I don't know, mini machete. Yeah, get the fuck off. It's not in too bad shape, but I just washed my hands, so they're wet, but a little dinged up on the edge. Honestly, I kind of like it a little better than thought I was gonna. It's got I don't know, if you wanna fucking club a bear in the face with that or something. I'm not really sure. But I like the size, not too big, good weight to it. Feels like it'd be a good camping addition. Keep it with another nice fixed blade. I'm gonna touch it up and see how sharp I can get it.